Welcome to one of the world's most advanced display manufacturing facilities.
Each mother glass substrate is larger than a king-size bed and thinner than a credit card. A single defect measured in microns can ruin an entire panel. Glass must be atomically clean. A single dust particle is catastrophic at nanometer scale. An entire panel.
This Class 10 clean room is 100,000 times cleaner than a hospital operating room.
An entire panel. Photoresist coating must be absolutely uniform. Variation of even 50 nanometers will create defects in millions of transistors.
Perfect.
Transistors. Transistors. Look at the phase transition. It's beautiful.
The molecular alignment is perfect.
Alignment layers contain grooves 1,000 times thinner than human hair. These microscopic channels organize.
The liquid crystal layer is exactly 4 microns thick, about 1/20th the width of human hair. This precise gap enables perfect light control. The black matrix is like the grout between tiles. It separates 8 million pixels, ensuring each color stays pure and distinct.
Each color must land within 5 microns accuracy. Misalignment would cause color distortion visible to viewers.
Each 65-inch TV contains 240 high-power LEDs arranged in zones for precise brightness control.
The light guide plate transforms edge-mounted LEDs into uniform backlight across the entire screen using microscopic optical structures.
AI-powered inspection systems check 4 million solder joints per hour, identifying defects invisible to human eyes.
The timing controller processes 8.3 million pixel updates every 60th of a second to display smooth 4K video. Slow descent, alignment looks good.
Confirmed. Panel seating correctly at Station 4.
The LCD panel and backlight must align within 100 microns. Any misalignment creates visible brightness non-uniformity. Proper cable routing is critical. Even slight pressure on delicate display connections can cause dead pixels or image defects.
first power on is the moment of truth, validating hundreds of assembly steps.
Each TV undergoes 47 distinct image quality tests. A male South Asian inspector provides final visual approval. Each TV is packaged to survive a transcontinental journey. Our package design withstands 1.5-meter drops. From factory to your living room, a coordinated global logistics network delivers cutting-edge display technology worldwide.
The Alpha 9 processor handles the motion clarity beautifully.
Wow, look at that. It's incredible.
We've journeyed through every stage of LED TV manufacturing, from atomically clean glass substrates to millions of precisely aligned pixels.